In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can use append queries function in Power BI and what is the meaning of append queries. So append means just adding the queries below each other. Now, what is the meaning of this? Suppose we have the first query population country 1950 to 1999. This is the query, right? And we have the same columns, same fields, you can say. If suppose you want to add this query under this query and this query under this query, then we can have a new query and all these queries are combined in one query. This is called the append queries. And one more thing I am going to mention here, that in this example we have exact same number of fields and same headings. But if you do not have same columns, then still you can use the append function. If suppose in my first table I have this column and time column and so on, in my second table or query suppose I do not have this time column and you want to append or you want to add, yes, you can do. If this column is not present in first table, so instead of this you can have null values, and I will show you in the next video as well. Here our focus is on append. So for append, go to the home tab, and from home this is the merge queries and append queries in combined group, but we will focus on append queries. When you will click here, there are two different functions. One is append queries, second is append queries as new. Now what is the difference between append queries and append queries as a new? If I will click append queries as new, which I am going to use now, so what will happen, a new query will come up here and then I will be able to join all these three queries in one query in the new query. In this way my original queries will remains the same. If I want to use in future, I can use my original queries, right? If I will click on append queries, so what will happen, in this time my first query is highlighted, so these two will add under the first one. So my first original query will not remains the same. I want to keep my these three original queries same. That is why I'm going to apply append queries as new. Sorry. So see here, a box will pop up here and then I will show you how I am going to add these three queries. I can join all these three queries in one shot. This is, see how you want to join two tables, three or more tables. So here we have three or more queries. So if I will click here, right, I want to join this, very simple. I will say add here and add here, right, add this and add this, and I will click OK. So a new query will come up here by adding all these three queries in one query. Here I am going to show you how to join two. Then I will use the append query function. So two tables, my first table is 1950. It's up to you, whatever you want to choose. My second is this one, 2002, 249, and then OK. So you will see a new query will pop up here with the new name, append 1, right? If you want to see, I have joined actually this data 1950 to 1999, and under this data, if you want to confirm whether in this query you have this two queries together or not, so go to this time, open this arrow and see here list may be incomplete, so click on load more, and definitely it will take few seconds because it's retrieving data, it's updating data. Then we can confirm. So it shows here actually, see, keep in mind, see here, this is null values and we will discuss this null values in the next few lessons. So go down and see now 2049. So now in the new query, which is append 1, our data starts from 1950 to 2049. Now I am going to use, second time I am going to use append queries. So in this way you will learn what is the difference between append queries and append queries as a new. as a new, always we can have a new query and we can combine whatever tables you want, right? We are not going to change our original queries. But now I am going to click append queries, append, and my append 1 is highlighted. It means the third query will come under this, right? Append queries. I hope the concept will be clear what I am going to say. Okay, now two tables, and under this append, open this what you want to append, this one 250 to 2100, click here and okay. So in this way I have used both functions, append queries and append query as a new, in order to give you a more concise view what is the difference between them. So if you want to check again that whether in append 1 you can have these three queries or not, open this table, load more. It will take time retrieving data, but soon you will see that all these queries are combined in a new query, and the name is append 1. So and sometimes when it suppose it will not show, so what you have to do, change the data type. Okay, come here and see 2100. And again here we have null values, we will discuss later on. So this is my new query. In new query I have combined all these three queries. If you want to change because this name is not suitable according to our situation, you want to change, again there are two or three different ways. First way is to change the name of this query, just double click and whatever name you want. Second is right click on this query, this is the rename, whatever you want. I say combined 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 population is the name of my query which is suitable to my situation. And the third way is, you have on here in properties section, just delete it and write whatever name you want. So from home tab, this is the append queries. There are two functions in append queries and append query as a new. I hope the difference is clear. Now your job is click on the append new queries as new and combine in one shot all these three queries. I did, I in the append queries first I joined this, and then I, by using append queries, I joined the third one. You can join all these three together. This is your homework. Practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.